Well, welcome back again to this Crypto Big Boss. And if you're a subscriber to this channel, you know I've been beating up on gaming Shiba. And, you know, I always do my due diligence. And, you know, I want to give everybody a chance to get their stuff together. So I was thinking, you know, there's been an awful lot of hits on gaming Shiba of me dogging them about not having their website. So I just went out there and checked to see maybe if they fixed this, you know, because to me, it's a very serious matter when you start talking about people investing in a particular crypto, that you be able to explain, you know, how you're going to use the blockchain to facilitate making something that people are entertained by or that is useful. And when they didn't have a website, I just immediately declared that they were a bogus crypto. Now, that's right, bogus. Now, before we go any further, I'm gonna go ahead and look at the stats here. I guess, look at this. Gaming Shiba is 0.0000, damn, too many zeros to count. It's just so infinitesimally small. You know, I don't even know. It's so far beneath the penny, it's not even worth talking about. So, you know, they're sitting up here with a 59, I don't know what this is. 59,908. Well, what is this? 58 million billion? The circulating supply is just absolutely ridiculous. Somehow they still do have a market cap of about $7 million. But look at this. This total supply is, what is that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's like 310 billion right there. Right? Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. That's the, oh my goodness. I don't even know how the total supply is so big, I don't even know what the number is. Somebody tell me what that number is. Oh my goodness. But let's go over here and see if they've got their website up. Look at there, folks. They've got a website. Gaming Shiba, yay. Let's see what they are doing. Are they just another meme coin, or are they something we should you know, keep in mind and think about investing in? Let's give them the benefit of the doubt and go through and see what we can learn about gaming Shiba, other than the fact that they've got too many freaking coins. So I see something here. It looks like they're on Binance. You can get it from their Shiba, and they got a Shiba Inu. They got three different things up here: the Binance coin price, the Shiba Inu price, gaming Shiba. I'm not sure why they've got those up there. It says gaming Shiba, your virtual dog. The modern technology and contemporary ambient that the internet created can now not be imagined to function as a whole without cryptocurrency. The impact that the cryptocurrency has had on the global scale is astronomical in the sense of being the generator of almost every development and specialty, the latest one. Okay. Upcoming digital platforms will bring the opportunities and experiences that gamers did not have before. Gaming Shiba will be a binding bridge between gamers, streaming platforms, NFTs, and metaverse. Really? Well, that's really big. Y'all trying to jump on the metaverse bandwagon, jump on the NFT bandwagon, jump on the game bandwagon. Who's not trying to do it? Let's just give them a chance here. Let's keep looking. They got a light paper here. Join them on Telegram. Gaming Shiba is the ultimate token for gamers and streamers all over the globe. Okay. They got a roadmap here. Prize winning games. Our team is constantly working on surprise dedicated for our community. Entertaining prize winning games will be launched regularly in order to bring attractiveness to our big family. You know what? This could be a big deal, folks. If y'all remember, Doge was talking about coming out with a game, and they put out their Shiboshis and all this. You know, no, that was Shiba Inu put out the Shiboshis, and they said they were going to come out with a game. Doge was trying to build a platform to do something else. I don't think they ever said anything about having a game. So here's the thing. The Shiba Inu is looking to make a game. These folks claim they already have one. Okay. it says Gaming Shiba check now, featured on Market Watch, One, Yahoo. Bitcoin Insider. This is not, oh, look at there. Got some beautiful graphics. They got a disclaimer down here. Let's go over here and take a look at their little play thing. Does that work? I hope it doesn't break. I don't want to talk bad about them. Okay, here they are. They got Strix is a Gaming Shiba official chat. This doesn't quite, I'm not sure if this is what kind of game this is, but it looks like they are trying to pretend like they already have something. That doesn't look like a big thing to me. Let's see. What is this light paper? Let's go look at the light paper. Okay, light paper 1.0. Gaming Shiba, the only virtual dog you need. The modern technology and contemporary ambient that... Okay, this is a total copy of the website. Okay, your roadmap. Let's see. Website launch, pre-sale announcement, Desert Finance audit, pre-sale launch on Pink Sale, successful launch on PancakeSwap, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing. Okay, this is a real, folks, this is a real roadmap, okay? But strangely enough, this is the same map that most of these small meme coins are taking, okay? Putting yourself on Pink Sale and PancakeSwap, this is par for the course, as one of my friends would say. First prize, winning games, first NFT collectibles, merchandise, influencer marketing push, partnerships, CEX exchange. Okay, so this is their roadmap to getting themselves out there so people can actually buy their coin. Second exchange listing, okay. Then they want 100,000. Okay, they're talking about what they want. NFT marketplace. Man, it would have been nice if they had that up front as opposed to after being launched. You know, it'd be kind of nice if they already had this. We plan to build an NFT marketplace and we want new partnerships. Well, why don't you do that first? Anyway, streaming and metaverse vision and strategic. Oh, you're going to do all this after. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Gaming Shiba official. Well, look, I'm going to go ahead and say this. Hey, at least they have a website. At least it appears that they really do have a real coin. They have a real roadmap, and they claim to have a real purpose. We can't sit here and say they don't. Of course, there's no place here for developers to take advantage of this. It's an in-house thing, but look, it looks like it's a legitimate crypto. It's not any more illegitimate than Shiba Inu. So, am I going to give them a thumbs up? Not. Am I going to give them a thumbs down? I can't. Okay. The quantity of coins that they have is so many that I just don't see. I'm going to have to see more. This could potentially be one of those that makes a whole lot of money, but the actual supply of tokens that they have, like I said, I don't know what that number is. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that would be 1 billion right there, right? 6 zeros is a million. That's a billion. Okay, that would be, so that's a trillion. So this is 100. What is that? A quadrillion? 100 quadrillion coins? Look, man, a 58 quadrillion coin. I don't know what comes after trillion. Is that quadrillion? I can't get behind that. It's too freaking many. And we already know Shiba Inu has to do all this crap with burning tokens and stuff. Hell, what the hell are these folks gonna do? They're gonna have a nuclear explosion to get rid of their freaking tokens. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one.